Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation, blending timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. As Bentley continues its journey toward electrification, the Flying Spur Hybrid is a key player in the brand's commitment to sustainability without compromising on the elegance and performance that define the mark. This vehicle is a testament to how traditional luxury can coexist with modern eco-conscious engineering. At its heart, the Flying Spur Hybrid combines a powerful 2.9-liter V6 petrol engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering a combined output of 536 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. This setup ensures effortless acceleration, with the car capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Yet, despite its performance credentials, the hybrid powertrain prioritizes efficiency. Drivers can expect an all-electric range of up to 25 miles, making it ideal for short urban commutes without emissions. When combined with the internal combustion engine, the total range exceeds 400 miles. Providing the versatility required for long journeys. Inside, the Flying Spur Hybrid epitomizes luxury, offering a cabin that exudes sophistication. The use of premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and precision-milled metal accents, creates an environment that is both opulent and inviting. Passengers are treated to unparalleled comfort, with features such as heated and ventilated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced air ionization for a fresh and serene atmosphere. Rear seat occupants benefit from additional amenities, including entertainment screens and a central console housing climate controls and connectivity options. Technological innovation is at the forefront of the Flying Spur Hybrid's appeal. The infotainment system, accessible via a 12.3-inch touchscreen, supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. A head-up display and digital driver's instrument cluster provide key information with clarity, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road. For audiophiles, the available NIM audio system delivers an immersive listening experience, transforming the cabin into a concert hall. Bentley has also prioritized safety and convenience in the Flying Spur Hybrid. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system enhance confidence behind the wheel. Additionally, the hybrid system includes regenerative braking, which not only improves efficiency but also offers a smoother driving experience. From an exterior perspective, the Flying Spur Hybrid retains Bentley's signature design language. The long wheelbase, sculpted lines, and imposing grille combine to create a silhouette that is both elegant and commanding. Subtle design cues, such as the hybrid badging and blue accents on the exterior, distinguish it from its fully petrol-powered counterparts. Sustainability is a cornerstone of the Flying Spur Hybrid's design. Bentley has incorporated eco-friendly manufacturing processes and materials wherever possible. Even with its focus on sustainability, the car remains true to the brand's heritage of delivering unparalleled luxury and performance. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid is more than just a car, it is a statement of intent for the future of luxury motoring. By marrying traditional craftsmanship with advanced hybrid technology, Bentley demonstrates that the transition to a more sustainable automotive world need not come at the expense of sophistication or performance. This vehicle offers a glimpse into what lies ahead for the brand, reaffirming its place at the forefront of the luxury segment.